Hello, today in front of me I have REALME Narzo 50i Prime, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. First of all, open up the Google Play Store. At the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Let me redo it real quick. Once any app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can simply launch the app and set it up. So in here, tap on this blue continue button, choose whether some of the options the Opera browser provides you with will be enabled from the start, or you can always skip and leave the configuration process of those options for later. I'll personally enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is the page that allows you to either customize the permissions and accesses that you are going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs, which I'll do myself. And that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.